He's on the streets now. Homeless person.
Do you believe in my idea?
I think this is one of the most innovative things that has been done. And
2 coolers, one is this and one is this. We got our posters out.
All the drip.
No. You're too drippy.
Hi guys, you want some sodas? Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can do a side hustle and earn some money while selling some drinks on the beach. It's a very good side hustle for you to start, and it only begins with $50 to $100, and you can earn, I'd say, $100 or $200 a day. It's Friday evening. Today we are planning to go to the beach, and beach will sell drinks there. And I have a plan of getting everything from Walmart. I'm here at Walmart, as you can see. And we'll get everything from Walmart and bring it to the beach in the cooler and sell the stuff. It's gonna be a very fun vlog, so keep watching till the end. I'm buying a variety of Coke, like Mountain Dew, Pepsi, and some water. Water is the main thing, and maybe I'll be grabbing some more, like Brisk, because here is a pile. And I'm not getting the big one because big one is like 24, so I don't have that much variety. In 12 I can buy 12 or 2 and still get some variety, so yeah. I'm also getting some Red Bulls, like the sugar-free ones and the normal ones also. Yeah. Got some Coke. I removed the Pepsi because I think Coke is more popular than it, and I got some energy drinks also. Red Bull, Monster. Yeah, let's see. This is the style that I'm carrying, and let's see the cost of this. Of course, how can I go without ice? So I'll get some ice also with this, and let's get this. Got the ice, we got the pamphlet, and we got every drink. How are you feeling, Lindy?
Tired, sweaty.
Oh yeah. So finally ready, got the drinks, and now we're heading off. For the final product, that is beer or alcohol. So this is our liquor store in Central City, Surrey, and it's a beautiful downtown. Almost invested like 100 to 150 bucks, and let's see how will I make through that. Like, I'm expecting to make like 200 or 300. Lyndon, what do you think? Will I make it or not?
For sure you make it.
I believe my marketing skills and sales, so let's go and see.
I don't know if you can make it with this time gap.
Yeah, because we only get like
we
2 to 3 hours, right?
We started pretty late.
Yeah, we only got like 2 to 3 hours because we'll reach there by 6, and we only have till 8 or 8:30, right? Because sunset, right?
No, we're gonna stay past longer.
Let's see. 2 coolers, one is this and one is this. We got our posters also, and we are very ready to get there in beach and make some money, right? Let's go. How are you feeling, Aish, about the idea? Do you believe in my idea?
I think this is one of the most innovative things that has been done in the past 20 years.
He's gonna be next Elon Musk. Indian Elon Musk.
In starting, they all laugh, but after that, they follow.
We're literally driving you there, bro.
Finally, we're here at the beach. Let's go. So we're here at the beach, and we're gonna sail here. Let's see how the sales go. Made my first sales. So I sold my first drinks of beer. 30 bucks I made. I'm very proud. How you guys? These guys were aware of selling night. So I sold some beers. Let's see how it goes.
He's on the streets now. Homeless person. This is what you have to do when you're homeless. Remember, kids, stay in school.
We fooled all the drip.
No. You're too drippy. You're too drippy.
That's why I was trying to get liquor. I was like, yo, should we get beer? Yeah.
So basically,
Right?
Respect. I don't know, actually. I haven't been here that often.
yeah, Coke.
Take it easy, bro. Yo, your boy.
Did you PayPal? PayPal?
No. Tracker. No, you
Hi guys, you want some sodas?
Okay, you put my sit there.
Now
You guys thirsty? Okay.
You want some sodas? Red Bulls? Yeah, thirsty, man. I know you are, man. You get thirsty? I made like 35 bucks of sales. Let's see how it goes. It's really going good. Oh my god, the vibes that I'm getting here is unbeatable. Whoa. And so far the business is going good. We sold like 35 bucks worth of stuff. Let's see how it goes. So these are my associates on the line. They are doing the sales. Let's see how they do. My top sales associate. Yo boys, what do you think? How's the sales going?
Fuck you.
Good. You're buying us dosa today.
See, my associates are selling drinks. And my second associate is here.
No, I am not your second associate.
So weird. Yeah, man.
I could have made $20 more, but we ran out. But like,
So we did good today. We made some sales, but not as much I expected, and it was okay. But yeah, definitely a good idea for you guys to start a side hustle, and yeah.
Yo, we have to leave this phone, bro, for the park.
Like, guys, I need more
Fuck you guys, man. Fuck your vlog. Fuck your...
Finally, after beach, all the business selling drinks, we came at downtown house of dosas. They are very popular. They have dosas, all the South Indian food, and every Indian food, I'd say. And yeah, let's see.
No, listen. He says that if you go see his toilet seat, it is a calamity. It is a catastrophe. Come.
So we just left the slippers here. How are you feeling about looking like a beggar? So ji, if you have watched till here, thank you so much for watching. One thing that I want to say, I earned some money, but it's kind of a shady business. You require a certain kind of a permit to sell some stuff, even it's alcohol also, or it's like a normal beverage also. I didn't have that. I took a risk, but I would recommend you to have a permit, then only sell the stuff. It's very shady, but you can, it's an easy way of earning money if you do under the table, I'd say. So kind of an illegal thing, but yeah. If you have watched till here, thank you so much for watching. If you have liked my content, do share this video with your friends if you got some value. It was a fun vlog, and yeah, thank you so much for watching, and more fun videos will be coming to my channel. If you are new to my channel, so my name is Raghav. I create informative videos / lifestyle vlogs, and I'll be coming with same kind of vlogs and videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.